These peppermint candy sticks are just like candy canes but a little thicker and softer. This chocolate candy is a great addition to a sweet candy cane. You need candy sticks and brown candy melts. Melt the candy in a medium-sized glass. Dip the sticks into the chocolate and give them an even coat. Place them on a parchment paper lined sheet and allow them to set in the freezer for 15 minutes. These are great for everyone and can be used in all of your Christmas drinks. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.